वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
After a long time, lockdown has opened and the air flights are just going to take off. What are your feelings right now?
Just little worried, but as you know, works always come first. So there's a call from the airline, and we are ready to operate the flight. We'll make sure that take care of ourselves, and the airline is taking care of us very well. They are taking out the circulars and communication for us, and we'll take care of ourselves and just make sure the passenger reach on time to their bases and the stations.
Ma'am, what are the precautionary measures you are taking on this?
So we're gonna get the PPE kit from the airline, and we're gonna change the things, on regularly basis. And moreover, we are not supposed to, talk to the passenger as we earlier used to do. And no doubt, if there is any medical situation, we are ready to, be with the passenger. But when it comes to like a little small things, just we make sure we take care of ourselves and the passenger as well. As far as we know, only the water can be served during the flight, nothing else, and this has all been communicated by the airline to us, and we will definitely follow that.
According to me, lockdown should be they should increase this lockdown, but this is necessity. So we are also waiting for the flights. It's been 2 months, so we are also waiting. So it's good. Mixed feeling actually I have right now.
Ma'am, what are the precautionary measures you are taking regarding the flights just while the taking off and the departure?
Actually, that's upon to the airline to airline. That's vary because they are sanitizing every aircraft. They are sanitizing every aircraft, and they are providing hazmat suit to the crew, and less communication with the passenger, and less. There's no service. There's no service, meal service. They are only giving boxes to the passengers. So these are the precautions we are taking now.
Coming.
This is, yes, it is overall different because we are not used to coming to work like this. It is absolutely different, but yes, it is kind of a mixed feelings, So that's all.
How you see the faces of passengers?
I'm sorry?
How you see their faces? How you see and experience the passengers' faces and behavior? What are your experience the passengers' behavior?
Passengers' behavior, nothing as such, because right now we have just completed one flight right now. We have just landed in Bhubaneswar from Delhi. So now if you talk about faces, obviously I won't be able to figure out by their way how they're looking and what they're trying to say, right? Because of the mask and everything. And I think everybody is doing a wonderful job here because as per the government set norms that we are following, we as an airliner, as an employee, and as well as the passengers.